In this video, I'm going to tell you 5 important things that you must know about Certified Management Accountant, or what we popularly call CMA USA. Number 1, who can do CMA USA? Let me tell you, CMA qualification can be pursued not just by commerce students, but also by science and arts students. In fact, any student from any discipline and walk of life can begin their CMA journey immediately after their class 12. While most students do not plan their career in advance, if you want to be ahead, you can start right from your first year of graduation, even before joining your college or even before your class 12 results are out. This is important because you can stay ahead and gain on lot more advantage through internship if you complete your CMA earlier in life. Number 2, CMA exams. How many times in a year are exams conducted? So CMA exams are conducted thrice a year. You can write the exams on any day between these 3 windows. January, February is the first window, May, June is the second window, and September, October is the third window. You can write the exam on any day in these 3 windows. In fact, if you want to reschedule your exam, it has all the flexibility for you to even reschedule your exam. So the best part is it does not clash with your college exams or any other priorities. It offers you all the flexibility to be able to clear the exam with ease. Number 3, CMA syllabus and examination. Remember, CMA has 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. You can write either of the parts first. If you are confident and comfortable with finance part, then part 2 would be more interesting for you. But in case you like accounting more, you can go for part 1 with confidence. Remember, both the parts have 6 sections in total. So whether you want to go for part 1 or part 2, you will have to cover all the 6 sections. But if I tell you inside story, yes, part 1 is little lengthy compared to part 2. So in case you have little lesser time and want to decide which part to go for, I would recommend you to go for part 2. In case you have little lesser time for preparation, but if you have a good amount of time to plan it well, part 1 can be a good choice also. One important thing that you must remember is the passing criteria. So CMA examination is divided into 2 windows and both run one after the other. The first window is the MCQ window, where you are given 100 questions, 100 MCQ questions. Remember, there are no negative marking in your MCQ part. Once you have comfortably completed your MCQ part, the next window, which is the case study window, which automatically opens. Remember, in the case study window, you will have a small paragraph about a situation, and based on that situation, you will be having to answer some of the questions. Remember, these questions can be directly dependent on the case given in the question or can be independent of the case as well. Remember, the case study window will open only if you have done good in the MCQ section. As per IMA guidelines, you should have answered at least 50% of the questions correctly to be able to move to the case study window. In case the case study window does not open, it means that you have done badly in the exam and you will have to reappear for the same exam once again. Number 4, job roles. Once you have passed the CMA exam, the world of opportunities are going to open up for you. As a fresher CMA, you can expect a job as a financial analyst. Remember, financial analyst is a very critical role where you will be exposed to the financial statement of companies and you will be responsible for analyzing and taking decisions based on, or rather communicating those observations to the decision makers in the company. These are very critical roles. In addition to becoming a financial analyst, you can also be exposed to internal auditing, budgeting, and other accounting roles as well in companies. Number 5, salary as a CMA. A CMA earns quite good. If you are just a fresher CMA, you can expect a salary between 4.2 to 6.6. But if you have some experience, maybe 2 or 3 years of experience, it can go much higher for you. There are plenty of opportunities in India right now for a certified CMA. So do not wait more, jump into and give yourself an opportunity to kickstart a beautiful career in CMA. If you want to know more about CMA, you can call us and our experts will be more than glad to help you. The number is mentioned here.